I have a very long neck. I eat leaves from tall trees. I have a spotted body. People often call me and my friends safari animals. Where do I live? That was easy, right? I am a giraffe and I live in Africa.